Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use Hubstaff as an employer. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. From here, on the main dashboard, you should see all the stuff that would help you as an employer on Hubstaff. First would be on the dashboard. This is where you can add widgets that would help you on your work. Next would be on the timesheets. As you can see right here, this is where you can see all the time passed by your employees, and this is where you can approve those timesheets to pay them nicely. Next would be on the activities. This is where you would see all the activities that your employees have done with their corresponding screenshots. Next would be on project management. This is where you can add new projects, add new tasks, and even add new clients on your workspace. On people, you can also add new members on the team. They can be managers, viewers, or even doers. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!